Welcome to my channel, Beyond Expectations. Gonna make you everybody to realize that there is lot beyond what you expect. That what you think. There is lot. There is a lot things beyond you expect. That's what this is about. First, I have chosen depression. Depression. Most probably, you think that I can't do this anymore. I'm sorry. I can't sleep at night knowing that the next day will be just like the previous. I'm tired of everything. I'm tired of staying up all night thinking and crying. I'm so fucking tired. I feel alone. That's what. That's what people do. They leave, they go away. If they depressed on relationships, what they can think? They think that we loved each other at wrong time and they quit up. That's what they can think. Other than nothing they can think. If somebody can't walk away from your life, let them walk away. You shouldn't convince anybody to love you. If they can walk, let them go. If they leave you, it means they are not attached to your future. Take it in a positive way. You think that all can end up in one solution. That's what you think of suicide. That's what, right? Everybody thinks upon suicide right nowadays. But suicide is very, very worse. The word caught your attention, didn't it? The truth is, suicide catches everyone's attention. It is the actions leading up to suicide that go anywhere unnoticed. That's what it is. What's everybody think? There is lot beyond you think. That's what my goal here. The first resemblance for depression is BMW. Most probably, the major depression may seem black and white, but everybody knows, or I don't know. But this is what the first resemblance for everyone's depressions. Normal people think that there's lot beyond what depressed people think, but depressed people think that others can't think beyond what they think. So this is also right, no? There are some symptoms to identify. Mostly people think that depression, it's and feeling sad and depression is what same. No, that is absolutely not right. See, sadness is part of being a natural reaction to painful circumstances. All of us will experience sadness at some point in our lives, is it? Yes. If normal people, surely sadness occurs. Depression, however, is an illness with many more symptoms than an unhappy mood. Yes. When sadness turns into depression, there are some telltale signs, including you may be observed that a depressed person has empty mood. Yes, they cannot judge their mood. Feeling irritable and restless. Yep, this is too. Feeling anxious, hopeless, and they even feel that they are helpless to this world. Loss of interest in activities that they once enjoyed in their life. So most probably the same again, body pains, headache that don't subside with treatment. That's absolutely right. See, again and again, there is one question in one's life that what causes depression? Is it absolutely right? What causes depression? While we don't know exactly what causes depression, a number of things are often linked into its development. It usually results from a combination of recent events and other longer term or personal factors. Yeah, personal factors too may lead to depression rather than one immediate issue or event. Some can depress in family history. Yes, family history. Yes, it is too. It is not can be for one individual, for a whole family too. Personality. Nowadays, personality also causes a major depression, right? Personality, one's personal, individual, everything may be depressed. Serious medical illness too. Drug and alcohol use, it is one of the major depression that every youngsters nowadays come with, going through with. Depression affects people of every age. Yes, every age people are affecting from depression. Yes, economic situation, that's too, and race. Nowadays racism going on. Even though depression is common, especially in teens, yeah, 100% sure, in teens, depression causes very effectively. Some people get depressed, but others don't. That's in that manner we can't take it, but most probably everyone gets depressed. That's the right. But to avoid depression, we should equip ourselves. Only when we equip ourselves, we can control from such depression. One should think why we are going depressed, helpless, and one should motivate by themselves. If one can motivate by their own, they can go till top, they can achieve a lot. Others' motivation can help only within a day or month, but can't last for years and years. Yes, may everyone experience this. If one motivate, you can get it with 1 day or 2 days, but it can't last for years and years. Should try, come out with your talents. Don't hesitate that what others think. This is one of the problems in nowadays teens. They are hesitating a lot. For example, for stage performance, they are hesitating what others will think. If we standing up on the stage, there comes personality problems, right? It may lead to depression, but not sadness. It can't be said as sadness. It's truly depression. Yes. See, life is so precious. And I will tell one thing. Please give suspension in between your life, but not for your whole life by getting depressed. Please just give suspension for your life within 1 week or 2 weeks, but no for the whole life. It will affect your surroundings, right? So see the fact that, life comes once, right? Engage yourself with some problems, solutions, questions. Make your own. Life comes once. Don't keep it into fence. See, if you keep it into fence, you can't move up anywhere. You can sit and lie. You can think a lot. It's not helpless to your life. Yes. See, don't keep it into fence. If you keep it into fence, likewise I said, it is full of dents. And then you should damn sure use your sense. So just please hear these lines for at least 2 to 3 times. Life comes once. Don't keep it into fence. It's full of dents and you should use your sense. Yes. Realize what I'm going through. Each word can give lot of meaning. Yes. Getting depressed, please go through these and make you equip yourself and come up to your life again. Try thinking of change as a challenging and normal part of life. To make you change yourself. Others changing once themselves, they can't even changed by any of them, right? Even parents too, they can't change their kid's mind. When a problem crops up, take action to solve it. Other than sitting up simply thinking what others do, what others think, please get up with a solution of your own. It may help you to go up. Remind yourself that setbacks and problems are temporary and solvable. Yes, think that. See, again and again, everything is not permanent. Everything is temporary. Once you get up and solve your problems, right? You should equip yourself. You should make you think yourself that we can do anything. Yes, build a support system. See, nothing lasts forever. So build a support system for your own. So it can help a lot. Don't think monsters in our head are scarier than the monsters under our bed. Yes. See, monsters in our head, we can make the monsters go away if we think. If we are damn sure 100% about ourselves, right? Ask yourself, why should I be so depressed? I am perfect now than who I was. If I can't, who can? You get up with the questions by your own. If I can't, then who can? Only I can do in this world. So get up with this question every day, every second in your mind. Be a courageous person. Be strong. Never ever give up in your life. That's what I can say. Never ever give up. Okay. So thank you. Subscribe my channel.